pretty seized up there. Making progress. All right, we got it off. I wish I would have got a video of it, but I didn't. We're getting dirty. Should be good. Oh, of course this is seized up too. Hey, ready? There we go. Lights.
We're operating like a team here.
Load it up, baby. Ooh, looks clean. Looks real clean. Whew. Smooth. Big day. We got the Summit loaded up there. We're gonna bring it and put it in storage. Grab the dirt bikes for the season. It's beautiful out, as you can see. Another nice day here. We've been getting nothing but rain, but finally some nice weather here. Fourn, you gonna do some wheelies this year or what?
I'm not gonna do too many wheelies. I don't want to get hurt here.
Yeah, we like to keep it pretty chill, but
I like tips up on the sled, and we'll just do some trail riding on the dirt bikes.
you were doing some wheelies last year a little bit.
Well, they're like little wheelies, I guess.
Little wheelies, yeah.
Don't expect too much.
Yeah, exactly. Keep the expectations low, people.
We ride, but we're not very good.
But look at that view.
I need some new gear.
Yeah, I think we gotta get you some gear. I got new gear. Look at this guy.
Look at this guy.
He's giving her already. Yeah, I think we need to get you in some nice gear.
Yeah, might have to go a size up this year. You know, the winter, long winter.
A size up. I think you're looking good.
No, I don't know. I'd have to size up, bud. Hopefully we get out next weekend.
That'd be sick. It'd be muddy, but that'd be good.
Let's get muddy. I don't give a. You guys want us to get muddy? We'll get muddy.
Throw it in the like or in the comments if you want us to get muddy, and we'll go get muddy out there. I'll lay the Husqvarna down in some mud.
I guarantee Graham lays down the Husqvarna in mud if we get mud. It's gonna go down at least once.
Yeah. Last year, I pretty much got stuck in a swamp for sure.
It smelled like diarrhea.
There was tadpoles around me.
It was pretty funny. We could have caught that on camera.
Yeah, I think it was a sewage runoff, honestly.
Yeah, it didn't look too good.
I can't stay away from the swamps.
Guy loves the swamp. His mutter was a mutter.
All right, first reveal. Opening the shed after winter. Oh, baby. Pretty clean. It's because we put them away clean. Nice. Looking super nice.
Oh, I got a rag in mine.
Oh, did we do that on purpose?
That was smart.
Oh, in the airbox, yeah. All right, well, we're gonna see if the old FC350 starts here after the winter.
All winter, battery was stored terribly just inside of it. I'm doubting it'll start, but why not?
Oh! Oh, it wants to go.
Oh, I don't know.
Puts the sunglasses on.
That's what's needed here. Come on.
Smoky in here. That's it?
Stored.
Already? I didn't take long. The bikes look pretty sick back there, I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited to ride.
Couple Huskies, bud.
Yeah, so Fourn has no maintenance on his bike somehow. Well, you gotta do just oil.
I'm doing an oil change.
Yeah.
I don't even need to charge my battery. It's good to go, apparently.
Yeah, it's not all winter.
In the bike all winter. It just goes, so. I guess the FC 4-stroke 350.
Oh, clean the air filter, put that back in, I guess.
I thought we cleaned them at the end.
Yeah, we did, but they look like...
Yeah, that's good enough.
Yeah, I guess.
It's good enough for me, man.
Yeah.
I'm slapping her on there, I think. I thought I already oiled it and everything, so if it's oily, I'm putting it back.
I'm gonna rip out my carb and clean all that. I think that's gonna go a long way with the 2-stroke.
Yeah, let's walk right through your carb and make sure it's right. And maybe you should look up jetting and
absolutely.
Like what's the ideal.
Because honestly, I had it running right like one time.
Yeah. Originally, your floats were stuck. Remember, it was gas everywhere.
Exactly. I just can't believe
we never touched it again.
I can't believe we never took it apart.
I know, it's really not like us.
We cleaned it in a parking lot and never taken it again.
We didn't even clean it. I just bent the float to make it work, and then we put the bowl back on. That was the end of it. That's all the maintenance your bike's seen. Oh no, we did the top end. Actually. Yeah. But we never cleaned the carb when we did that. We just put it aside,
which is
slapped
weird.
her back on.
I don't know why we did that.
It's pretty strange.
Huh. Well, we'll never know.
Nope. You know, I've been looking at those Mavericks nowadays. The
Like side by side? Oh my god, man, are you kidding me?
That'd be sweet.
They're expensive, aren't they?
Yeah, just like 35 grand about.
Man.
Anyway, I'm not about to go run out and get a Maverick, but in a few years, I think.
Man,
I think the
sick.
ones now are so cool that in a few years, when they're a little bit used and cheaper, I might grab one.
Mm-hmm.
Just pick one up, you know.
Just go pick one up. No big deal.
I mean, I'm not talking like get rid of my dirt bike. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
A dirt bike plus a Maverick.
Right.
Just adding to the inventory.
In between, easier on your ass.
Yeah. Well, once in a while, I'll take a break, go for a Maverick run instead.
Yeah.
It's probably still pretty up. Well, apparently the suspensions are so good that you're like, it's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
The wheels are just like.
I probably don't even feel anything. Yo, did you see this? They paved the.
Oh, that's nice.
Concrete.
There we go.
Concrete pad for the skinny.
We'll wreck that next season.
Yeah, we'll wreck that next season, yeah. There's a spot up here that I always wonder why we never go there too. I'll show
Comment
you.
down below if Graham should buy a Maverick.
Oh boy.
He drops his lid.
Well, we better start a GoFundMe.
Yeah. Can we start a GoFundMe for Graham's Maverick?
Yeah.
Let's see how that goes.
What's this spot?
You're always looking for new
What's
zones,
this spot
eh?
up to? Look at that.
This guy's always looking for zones. He likes finding new zones.
Well, I'm just looking for rockless areas.
Yeah.
And
Those are ideal. That's
Yeah.
why our tracks have survived.
Well,
we haven't hit too much.
Yeah,
Not this
summer,
anyway.
whenever I'm biking, I'm just going to be looking for rocks. Mental
note.
Know where I can do catwalks without hitting rocks. Ontario riding at its best.
Yeah, we're not even close to being tired of doing catwalks, by the way.
No. My arm.
We're just hitting our stride.
Yeah. I got to hit the weights to be able to hold onto the bike.
Next season, I'm going for a 200-yard catwalk. I got to make it happen.
All right, guys. Back home. Again. I like to be here when I can.
Make sure to get a good shot of this sick truck that they're in. Right?
Yeah. It does look nice. Nice.
This is why I don't catwalk, because I got to still pay for that.